Hi guys. Hi guys.
Good morning.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Papa Rambo. Mama Ruby. Miggy. Dia. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. My pet pie. What's your fog today, Mama?
Where are you going?
Salzburg in Austria.
We're going again to Austria.
But in
Yes,
Salzburg.
Papa. May vitamins pa siya. We're nasa München. Going to Salzburg.
I keep on breaking the game. No.
Hindi kami nakapag-video kanina kasi nagmamadali. Yes, Papa. We go to Salzburg. We're leaving Munich.
We're approaching the home of this.
Welcome to Salzburg. You did not see the castle? You're busy with your cellphone kasi. Hindi nakita. Welcome to one of the cleanest Bahnhof in Europe. Austria. See? Ang ganda-ganda talaga ng kanilang Bahnhof. Ang linis.
Oh, what does this look like? A station that I know.
Yeah, we passed by here before when we went to Vienna and Budapest, remember? So, walang katulad talaga yung ng Austria. Bahnhof ever since. Ang linis, ang organized, ang ganda ng aura. The best. Welcome to Austria!
Again.
To Salzburg. Where are you, ba? Tell your followers. Salzburg.
We're in Salzburg.
Do you know what salt means?
What?
Salt. They have a salt cave here. So, dito ba yun salt cave? Yeah. That's why they call Salz. Ano bang cave sa Deutsch? Salt cave. Salz. Ang hangin. Look at my head. Dito kami, lalakad kami dun sa aming hotel. This is the Bahnhof. There, Monterey. Wow. Wow. Room tour.
Hi guys.
This is the bed.
This is a fishing.
Bed. Wait.
There's a pop
The
rhino.
bathroom.
No, wait, they have a pop rhino.
The shower. We have a cabinet, electric fan. Thank you, Papa. Kibong. Ito yung hotel namin. Hotel Playa. Ang lapit sa Banff.
20 minutes daw siya.
Sino sabi? Joke ka lang ni Papa. Ayan ang aming neighborhood. We're going to eat dinner. Dito lang sa kanto. Salad, kitchenke. Ano ito? Kebab? Pomes siya, mayroon.
Is there a pommes? I want pommes. I want pizza and chicken wings or chicken nuggets and pizza.
Parang wala ng table. Pa tayo sa iba.
Why is there no basketball?
Bukas na? Magkano na ito?
460.
460. Pila na sa atin?
Nasa 300. Around 300.
150 pesos na yung isa. So mahal. Miggy, busin mo yan. Ang dami, oh. Baka dinamihan na lang yan kasi last na tayo.
Ay, tikman mo, baka mahal.
Fried rice. We're done dinner. What did you say?
My dinner was the most random and most smallest and most craziest and most fastest meal I've ever seen in my life. And I've ever done.
Why, what's your food?
My food was only spring roll rice and chicken meat.
And what did you drink?
Caprice.
Did you like it or what?
I like it, but I was...
Can you rate it 1 to 10? 10 is the highest.
I rated 1 out of 10. I mean, 10 out of 10.
Oh, 10 out of 10. So it means you like it.
Yeah.
Wow, good job. Ito ba naman kakain 15 minutes before closing time? Ay, di ba? 30 minutes din. We're going back to the hotel. Grabe, oh. Sobra pa sila sa Germany. 7 p.m. pa lang. Wala nang tao. Diyos ko, sarado. Kanina mga 6 p.m. kami lumabas. Close na lahat. Yung restaurant nga lang kasi siguro Asian kami. Pinayagan kami kumain na 30 minutes before closing time. Kaya, bilis-bilis ng pagkain ni Miggy. That was the most random food I've ever had. Sabi niya. In fairness, grabe ang tahimik ng Umgibong means environment or neighborhood naman. Wala talaga, ilan lang sa labas. 7 p.m. pa lang. Sa amin, at least, mga 8. Yan. Ano, dyan pa lang ng mga tao.
So I didn't want to look at Moby. He might be too ugly. He might be like... Because he's the biggest creature in the game.
The next day.
Good morning! Day 2 namin dito sa Salzburg. Here's me yung baba. We're waiting for a bus. The bus is here. So let's go! Dadaan kami dito sa kanilang garden. Salzburg sightseeing tour. We're entering the garden of the castle. Hey, hey, not to, to push. Dito, oh. Here, here. Here, there's a snake. Palakda. Come here.
Hello, Salzburg. Austria.
Yeah.
First wish, I wish that I can beat part 8 and Botanicula, so I can unlock so many creatures in part 9, the final part.
And
The next one, I wish that when we go back home, there's so many road courses that I'll catch all of them. One.
hey. Hindi kami makapunta sa Salzburg Cave kasi si Miggy hindi pa pwede from 12 years old daw. Hindi rin kami makapunta sa Hallstatt kasi malayo by bus. Nahilo si Miggy. Miggy, this is the hometown of Mozart. Hindi. Naririnig ko lang. Pero yeah, familiar yung name but I don't know really. Ah, yeah.
Why can't I just like crawl in the cave?
Cool. Ang layo naman ng garden, niya sa palace mismo.
Hindi man yan palace.
Ano yan? Ayan ang palace.
Mirabel Palace.
Ano yan? Castle?
Oo, Salzburg.
Ah. Salzburg Castle. Magkaiba pala sila. Doon may pa-bridge. Let's go! Bridge. Padlocks. Parang kagaya sa Frankfurt. Sariling city. May sama naman ang mukha natin sa video. Wow! Welcome, be.
Be?
Oh.
And this one's like purple.
Kasi madaming ano.
Let's go na.
Let's go na, enough na.
Wow, we found so many cool rocks.
May mansion sa gilid ng river. Ito mga bahay. Mga mansion pala yung bahay dito sa gilid. Oh, pati para pantanda. Ito, nilagyan niya ng ganito. Parang taga-France ito. Mostly ng padlocks are red. Kahit dun sa kabila. Yung view ng kabilang side. So dark. Mozart's house. Mga kopeta. Oh, we're outside.
Yung yellow na yan.
Yan na daw ang bahay ni Mozart, yung yellow na building. Sino nakakakilala kay Mozart? Sorry. Naririnig ko lang syempre. Pagdating sa theatrical, musical, Mozart talaga yan. Ito siya, oh. Yan ang sikat na Mozart or the Geburts house. That's the Mozart's Geburt house. Meaning is, dyan siya pinanganak. This is the one nako, house Eigen in Mozart. This is the one, oh, yung brown. Yung sikat na, ay, parang masarap siya, oh, may, this one, oh. Yan, different kinds of, laki naman ng pagka, niya, sardines. Opo, ang mahal-mahal ng kanya, 4-year box lang, $8.90 na. Mas mahal ito kaysa dun sa pula. 4 na piraso, $8.90 na. Dito kami sa Erstie's Dock Italian restaurant. Sari manok. Oh, this is a cozy Italian restaurant. Here, the pasta and the pizza and drinks, Sprite. Which one you like? Let's try. Yummy. Oh.
Luke's favorite, the mozzarella.
Take a bite, bite it. Wow.
Cut it, the dirty.
Oh no, cut it, Papa. I don't play it, nak.
Is there a train going straight to Stuttgart Bahnhof from Salzburg Bahnhof?
No.
How many trains?
2 or 3.
Oh my God. Cut mo na lang siguro yan, ha?
I'll just
Papa will cut it. We're done eating.
There's a horse.
There's a horse again. Ganyan yung mga sasakyan dito nung unang panahon. There. Oh, wow. Look at that. Bawak nga lang ng may kabayo. Dito sila naihi. Ang banto. Ang bangtot talaga. Diyan kasi sila lahat, oh. Pag mahilig ka sa arts. Diyan na yung palace sa likod, oh. Sa taas pa pala siya.
I want to ride it. So I can go to the castle.
Yeah, let's go to the castle. What's this? Dome. Church siya na ano, pero may bayad. Yan siya sa loob. Yan o, may music siya o.
My music 9.
Oh, come. Let's go na. May tea. Bakit?
May headset pa siguro. Kung may sa...
Guided tour. Simbahan nila may bayad pumasok. May ride siya. Bakit dun? Yun o. Yeah. Niggy, can you see that? That's the ride, oh.
Ice cream.
Oh, you want to eat ice cream? Oh, they have a golden ano here. Yeah, dalawa naman ang ano niya. Pagod na siya.
It's like we're inside a game.
Bago sila umakyat. Ice cream time. What flavor is that?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. Vanilla. Ate Tarin sa no? Hero? Hero? Loko. Which one you like? There's ano oh. There's bunny. Oh, this one, chipmunks.
What's this?
What's that? A bunny.
I want like, oh, there's a rainbow.
Oh, he took it already.
That's fun.
Oh, let's go na. You remember Ate Tarin's ano? This is a very nice socks. Oh, kapal-kapal. Oh, they have a sling bag.
Look at their...
Austria. Salzburg. Parang gusto ko to. 12.90 lang.
You want the big pretzel, huh? Hey, don't pull it too much, ha?
Ano yan? Oh. Yummy. Parang masarap. Chocolate. Parang chimney cake siya. Pero hindi siya paano, pa-rolls lang siya. Yung salt, dito sila ano, Salzburger natural sauce. Grabe oh. Pwede mong lutuin yan? Salt. Yeah, that's why they call it. No, don't touch it. Salzburg because salt means salt. You have ano here's a salt cave. Oh, Miggy, oh. Gas, ano? Gas, what you call that?
What about antlers?
Antlers. I don't, ano. That's real.
Last ride going there, it's 1 hour.
Of course, yes. When we're in the salt cave, I will just be holding onto the railing and then I will walk kind of slowly. Like a turtle. So I won't slip down.
Going there. Ito na kami sa paanan ng castle. Ha?
490.
Ano ba? Ito na kami. Ito na yung nasa movie na nasa baba yung brown. Brown ba siya? Parang damit ni Killer Bride na movie sa Wildflower. Oh, yan oh. Para kang nasa movie, no? Sa paanan ka na. Festungsbahn. We're going to ride this.
No, but I want to do the Sunkeeper.
Ayun, it's not here. Layo pa yun.
This is the, the upper part.
Ah. Yan sa taas.
Oh, there's so many ants.
No. You're not supposed to cut
Wait,
ants,
wait.
eh. Don't touch it. Diyos ko, nahuli kami ng ants.
Going into the like hole right there. But where do you go? Wait, Mama, stop.
Let's go na.
I'm too excited.
See? You excited to, Let's me 43 pa.
I'm not exact.
Papa will buy ticket and then we will,
Oh, yeah.